Benton County has extended its 24-hour burn ban, and an additional 25 counties in Arkansas have put burn bans in place due to dry conditions and wind. Good evening, and thank you so much for joining us tonight at 9. I'm Anna Darling. Fox 24's Christina Randall talked with the Rogers Fire Department about the importance of taking these bans seriously.
According to the Rogers Fire Department, if the wind has a speed of 10 miles an hour or higher, it's too dangerous to burn.
When it also is dead and dry, that's extremely flammable, and then it moves just as fast as the wind is blowing.
Rogers Fire Department Battalion Chief Clint Bowen says it's imperative for everyone to follow the rules during burn bans.
We issue burn bans because conditions like this somewhere in the past has provided a situation that got out of control.
He also says if a fire does get out of control, it takes time for firefighters to arrive.
Our dispatch has to receive the call and then dispatch us, and we've got to drive to you. So now you've got all that time factored in too, and obviously this can be a pretty bad situation by the time we get there.
Bowen says fire departments in Rogers and Springdale have been busy recently. He says Springdale was using nearly all of its resources dealing with bushfires only a couple of days ago.
Everybody around them was on standby, you know, waiting that if they needed anything else, it was going to be provided from outside of their city.
A total of 25 counties has issued burn bans, including Madison, Crawford, Carroll, Franklin, and Sebastian. Christina Randall, Fox 24 News.